Hello, my name is Mufi Zidan, and right now I will try to explain what I learned from this. I will try to explain what I learned from this video, and let's start it. So, yeah, on this video, I will try to putting the ingestion script into the Docker. How to do it? I will open my VS Code and I'm already open, and then I will put the script to the pipeline.py. Okay, the first thing what we have to do, maybe this is will be different what Alexi create because the format of the file is different because the format is not CSV but Parquet. That's why I will uh I will different. And what we have to first thing what to do is we have to import parse, arc parse. So let's start it. So how we can create our arc parse. So arc parse is like we want to parse the command line with the argument. So we try to adding argument in the command line. That's it. So let's go our parse, and then we goes to the Python version 3.9, and then we import it. Import. Okay. Import, copy and paste from here, and then I will create. So ingestion, ingestion of CSV or Parquet data to Postgres, PostgreSQL. And then we create the argument for the command line. We move this and then we change from user. And then will be the username of Postgres. And then will be a password. And then will be a password of Postgres. Okay, let's copy this. And then will be uh hostname. And then will be hostname too. Hostname of Postgres. And then will be port. Port. And will be a database name of Postgres. And will be uh table name. This will be table names. And then will be a link URL. The link of CSV or Parquet data. Okay, already finished. We just remove this because we are not needed. And then we create this if name equals to main. So what the purpose of this? So we want, so this program only run when the computer or the Docker run this particular file. That's the idea. If this is file become imported, we cannot run this code. That's the thing. Okay, let's fix the syntax. Okay, already. And then I want to create a function, and then the name of function is main, and the parameter is args. Okay, already. Let's create our main div main and this is will be content args. I would prefer args. Okay, let's user equals args dot user. Then I want to copy this. This is will be password. Password. This is will be host. This is will be a port. This is will be a database, and this is will be table name. This is will be URL. Okay, the next thing what we have to do, we have to try to read and clean the link. So I will try to read a link of CSV or the hardware data. And then I want to create a variable file name, and then it will be save the URL name, and then I want to strip. I want to strip, so I want to separate the URL by slash, and then I want to separate the URL become two part, and then I want to take the second part, the less, and then I want to remove space on that link, and then print. I want to make sure my link is correct. So downloading file name. Okay, and then let's download the CSV or hardware data, and this is will be OS, no OS, yeah, OS dot. So we need import OS to OS. Okay, correct. And then we import OS, and then I want to go to the system, and I want to run this command line. This will be a URL dot strip, and then I want to open the file name. This is the file name you already created. And then I want to print and only that print and print. I want to become when we run the program, it will be clean. Okay, the next thing what we have to do is we want to create an engine. So I want to create an engine of SQL. So engine equals, so I need to import SQL command, import, wait, from SQL command, import create engine. Okay, let's go. And then create an engine, and then I want to uh, use the Postgres SQL slash, this is will be the content is user, and then password, then this is the name of host, this is will be a port, and this is will be the name of database. Okay, already, and then we process the data. We process the data, the CSV or correct data, and then if the format is CSV in the file name, so in the file name, it will be df ed dot. Okay, I need to import pandas. Import pandas sv. Okay, let's start it. So read CSV, and then it will be content file name. Then I want to take 10 line data. Then let's see there. So this is for for push to the SQL, yeah. So pd dot csv file name, and then the iterator is true, and then the what else again? The chunk size is 100,000. So why we create df iter? So we want, when we try to push the data to the database, I don't want to all of data directly to the database. No, I want to split the data becomes smaller. That's why I only take 100,000 and then the next 100,000 again. That's the idea. I don't wanna push everything of data to the database. It's not effective. And then we elif. This is another format is parquet. Is parquet in the file name. It will be file. We have to read the data first of the parquet. Let's import the pay arrow. Import pay arrow parquet SPQ. And then this is will be parquet file. And then what the next thing what we have to do, file name. I want to, this is file to understand, and then the F next. So I want to parquet file change to the pandas. So it will be a df. No, it will be file dot iter batches, and then I want to only take 10, and then want to pandas. Okay, then the f iter, I want to file dot iter batches, and then uh I want to again 100,000. Okay, already. And if the format is not Parquet or CSV, it will be print error because only require only supporting CSV Parquet format data. Okay, then if that happen, the system will be exit. Okay, let's import system spice. Oh, sorry, spice. Okay, already import, and then let's create a table. I want to create a table. Let's create. Let's create the table in the Postgres. How we can create the table is df add only 0 because I only want to the upper, I mean the columns, the name of columns, and then push to the SQL. And then the name of table will be td, and then the engine will be engine we already created. If exists, I want to replace. Okay, already finished. The next thing what we have to do, we we insert the value of CSV, or Parquet data. The first thing I want to measure how much time to push the data. So I will import the time from import time. Okay, already. And then let's go use that. And then it will be, also I want to count how much batch program push to the SQL 0. And then for batch, this is, I will try to create a looping because we try to push the data to the Postgres by split in each 100,000 like that. In the F iter, okay, uh and then I want to count. So the count will be adding. After that, if so I want to make sure our Parquet file in the pandas format. So if it's Parquet in the file name, batch df equals batch to pandas. Want to change it to pandas. And then if CSV, I just only be equals batch because already in the pandas format. Then the next thing what we want to do is print uh inserting batch count. Okay, then enter, and then I want to start. So this is will be push the data to Postgres. Okay, and then this will be batch start equals time, and then this is will be df to SQL and then the name will be td, and then the con will be origin, and then if it exists I want to end. Okay, then the end time will be over. Okay, I want to print I want to print uh it taken is the end minus the start, then the format only 0 3f. Okay, seconds. Uh, and then the and if the push data already finished, want to measure the time again, and then print uh finish it taken the end minus the start, the format I want to only take the F, and then seconds. Okay, to push all of that. Okay, already finished. Okay, I think let's save, and then I want to make sure. Okay, I so we want to ingest script and then push ingest script to the Docker. So how we can do that? After we already finish the script, let's create an image. So this is our image. So we create image from the Python. Base image-nya is Python. And then run this. So we want to install the library what we are needed, and then the location is app, and then copy for the local host is the pipeline.py to the pipeline py. So the name in the Docker will be same, and then run this code python pipeline.py. That's it. Already, let's try it. And then let's go to the command from or the git bash. So let's run our, or before we run it, we have to remove our container first. container ls. Oh, let's remove. Oh, it's many, yeah. That's why we need to remove. Okay, let's go. So Docker container remove. So it's many ways to remove. You can remove from command prompt. You can also remove to the desktop. I think desktop is will be easier, because we just click, let's, but I think we just focus on this, yeah. So this is how we can create the, maybe I just need to, pg admin, I think, to remove this. Okay. And also I need to remove this. Okay. Enter. Already, let's create our our database. So in this case, we want to create a database container, and then we are ready. Okay, let's start it. So after that, I want to create an image first. So let's create our image. How we can do it? Docker build the name of image and y taxi, and then it will be version 001. Okay, enter. Make sure your place is in directory what you contain that file. Then after this, we just copy. I already have it on this. Let's copy, then paste, enter. Okay, we have a problem. The problem is the URL. So I think we have to, okay, how we can solve this problem is, I think we want to take, let's copy and paste. Okay, I think we have a problem with the error strip, so no problem. So how we can solve this problem? It's very simple. You use ChatGPT, and let's go to our ChatGPT. Let's go to our ChatGPT, and we use ChatGPT to solve this particular problem. Okay, this is my ChatGPT, and then I get an error. Help error in my code. From comment from it dash. Help me to fix it. This is my comment. Ace. Mistake. I have a mistake. I have a mistake. Copy, paste, and then this is my comment. Copy, paste, and then this is my code. This is my code. Let's see, copy and paste, and again, uh, um, this is my error. This is my error. Where is my error? This, okay, copy and then paste. Okay, already. Let's go. This is so okay. So the ChatGPT tried to solve that. Okay, it will be RS split, yeah, not strip. That's our fault. So how we can solve that is we go back in here and then we change to the R split, yeah, split, and then save, and then we go back to our command prompt, and then we create an image again. We create an image again. Docker build. Let's wait. After we waiting, we run the or we try to create and run the container. Okay, let's wait. Is it have any problem? Is it have an error again? Let's see. Okay, we have another problem, and how to solve this? We have use, so you can adding in here. No, this, oh, no, this, but I this name we have to copy. We have to copy binary, save, and then your problem will be solved there. Okay, let's create an image again. Okay, let's create an image again. No problem. This is something usual when we face some error, and then we create again. Let's see, is it good or not? Let's see. Okay, already it's very good. Our code already pushed to the database, already pushed to the database. So it takes 1 second because I'm already pushed the data on previously. So let's start it. So let's create our PG admin. How we can create a PG admin is from here. Just copy, and then paste on here. Okay, let's see. Is it our container already connected? Because we use PG network. So this network to link or connect each container. So imagine like this, in this case, we treat three we create three containers. The first containers is for the ingest data, like the pipeline.py. So the first container will be contain the pipeline.py, and then library, bunch of that. And then the second container is a database, Postgres. And then this is the third container is a pgadmin. And then this container will be connect with the network. That's the thing. That's the idea. Okay, let's go see in the pgadmin. We just, this is, okay, sorry. This is my pgadmin, and then reload. Let's reload or refresh. And then we log in. We already log in. Okay, very good. Let's create our servers, and then we'll be Docker localhost. No, Docker. Docker, maybe Docker, only Docker. And then the name is pg database, and then this is will be root, and then this is will be root, and save. Okay, let's see our data in the database, nytaxi scheme, and then see what we have it. Okay, view the data, first 100 rows. Okay, we are ready. So that's it. Our data already pushed to the database, and then we can connect to the pgadmin. And the next thing, we will try to create these three containers by using Docker Compose. Okay, and thank you.